Okay, so yan, example ng stock alert natin. So meaning, they're giving instructions on what to do on some of our stock market investments. And top slice means kukunin mo yung part ng profit mo to put it somewhere na pwede pang umangat na mga stocks. And so they're giving recommendations on what to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. And so this is top slice. This is part of the selling part, but you need to divert it or put it somewhere else na kikita pa yung pera mo. So yung pera mo na may tubo, for example, you have 1,000, then tumubo na siya, naging 1,2 na siya, di ba? So yung 1,2 mo, yun na yung ininvest mo. So yung pera mo na may interest, kikita pa ulit ng interest kasi nilagay mo siya sa asset na pwede pang tumaas yung ano niya, yung capital appreciation niya. So that's something called compounded interest, no? So doon papasok yung interest mo, palaki ng palaki yung interest, yung capital mo nanganganak, and then yung anak nung capital mo nanganganak din. So that's the kind of analogy. So if you're interested to do stock market investment, this is an active investment, no? Para ma-meet natin yung mga goals natin, yung for our college education fund for our kids, for our retirement, for our future businesses, for our travel goals. And we need to invest, we need to put our money somewhere na talagang kikita para naman hindi kinakain ng inflation. So that's really something that we teach in the community. So if you're really interested, just click the link dyan sa my bio ko. So see you there.